What's up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World and welcome to another solution based video on my channel. In this video today I will show you how to fix your Face ID is not working on your iPhone. So on my hand this is iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see here, the Face ID is not unlocking my phone. So I will show you a few steps to fix this problem. Here first I will go reset my phone, and for this you have to go inside the general. And inside general you can see at the bottom the reset option. So reset all settings. So if you hit on reset all settings, you won't lose any data from your iPhone. So it's risk free. And before that I will check my iOS version, because sometimes this happens, like if you are not up to date with your new iOS, then Face ID gets problem. So here you can see like my iOS version is up to date. And now reset your iPhone from the settings, and after resetting, if it's not working, then do the force restart. So for force restarting you have to press the this volume buttons, like press the up volume button and the down volume button, and quickly press and hold the lock button. So this thing you have to do it faster, like this, and hold the lock button until you get the Apple logo. Here you can see the Apple logo, and this will take 15 to 20 seconds. And after that, let's wait first. Okay, after that, now let's try to unlock the phone here with the Face ID. So let's see. And we can notice here the dynamic island is trying to unlock it. Okay, ambient sensor is blinking, but still the same, like phone is not unlocking with Face ID. So I will show you the second way to fix this. Now I will reset my Face ID from the settings. So here is the Face ID and passcode section. So enter your phone passcode, and after entering here you can see the reset Face ID. So reset Face ID, if you hit on reset Face ID, then your previous Face ID will be deleted. And now I will reset my Face ID again here. Okay, just complete the Face ID setup. Okay, here let's try it again. I'm hoping that this time will work perfectly, because my ambient light sensor and the dot projector is working perfectly. So let's try it again. Yeah, it's working. That's really good. And if you get the trouble with your Face ID, like after resetting your Face ID, if it is still the same, then you have to go to the technician, because this is a very sensitive issue. Because if your Face ID doesn't work, then that's really bad. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I will come with another solution based video. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy, and please don't forget to subscribe the MP World for supporting me.